How often do you check up on your friend? And who should initiate conversations, dates, and outings? I need to know. Okay, I might not know exactly, like maybe the whole logistics around it. I-graduation inini ugqibe nini isikole, but man bene idea yoba uyafunda.
You are furthering your studies.
Yes, man bene idea. Then xa ndibona laa nto ku social media, then it's gonna be that thing yokuthi kanene wayithe uyafunda utsho ukuthi ugqibile ke ngoku, and then it's gonna be easy for me ukuthi ndikufowunele ndithi congratulations.
Yeah.
But if ke ngoku khange undixelele nam ndizidlulela nje sana as if I don't see anything, because ndizawuthini mna ke shema I won't even like.
Yes. And my friend, bear in mind, I don't have kids, and the reason why I don't have kids is because I don't have afford kids. So and imagine now you wouldn't help a friend out. Let's say akumelanga ukuthi kuye kulo mall, but ikufutshane le ndawo kuyo, so ngeke uvele uvumbuke endlini uyokwenza loo nto.
Masithi Chomi, it depends ukuthi yintoni, matter of death and life le uyifuna.
So ndifuna isimo yami
ufuna i-ARVs.
Itsubna yami efix esemolini eseCango. Ndine-vacation
khangela abangani bakho.
Chomi, ndine-vacation ezayo. That's important to me, let alone i-ARVs.
Mna ndingajampa xa usithi Chomi nazi ii-reasons zam zojampa. I-ARVs zam andikwazi udefaulta, yinto endingumtsi endingawutsiba ke lowo, because I know ukuthi this is important.
Yes.
Number 2, Chomi, yeyi i-72 hours iyaphela, khawuleqise kwezaa pilisi. Ndingatsiba ke apho because I know.
24 seconds, yeah, you better not stop. You got 24 seconds, can you beat the shot? What you waiting on, look daddy, I ain't got that much.
Hey guys, welcome to a new video, you guys. Today I am with our special guest, a returning guest to be exact, guys. She will reintroduce herself, and you are
Indiphile Choni. You can follow me on my Instagram. Please like, share my friend's channel, and subscribe. Like and share with your friends, and thank you.
Yes, guys, as she already said that, guys, today we are coming with a very interesting video, a Q&A, and this video is gonna be in 2 segments. The first segment is gonna be on the friendship side, and then the second segment is gonna be on the relationship. Guys, it is on fire. It is on fire, especially the relationship part. Niyayazi umjolo uyanyisa ke sana.
Abafana, the boys.
You will never see the end of it, guys. Anyway, guys, I hope you're gonna enjoy this video because it is specially made for you guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Let's go.
Hello. Hi.
Okay, the first question is, how often do you check up on your friend? And who should initiate conversations, dates, and outings?
Are you gonna start with me?
What do you think? Let's start with you.
So for me, if friendship, I think it should not be one-sided. If friendship, for my close friends, the week shouldn't end without us having to check up on each other. We check up on each other maybe 2 or 3 days, so that it could be a text, not a phone call, because some of us are busy, and not only me. When I say some of us, also my friends are busy. But just sending a text, how's your week going? If you umsebenzi, how's the job hunting going, or the interviews? But it shouldn't be one-sided. And now, let's say I'm not doing a job hunting, you should also check on me. How are you? Sharp. It shouldn't be like a long conversation. Unjani, but you can reach out. Hi, how are you? Unjani, sharp, and then you step back, and then umngani can decide. Oh, actually, I want to vent. This is what is happening, and. But yeah, it shouldn't take long. Weekly, for me, it works.
Oh, okay. Like it's not really supposed to be physical. Like,
Mm-mm.
oh, okay. Ningadibani iziqu ngeziqu.
Ingaphela nonyaka futhi singahlangananga.
Oh, okay. So you are intentional about what you are doing to me. This girl.
Yeah, no,
Ay,
yeah,
you will never see heaven.
as long as sithetha, I don't mind. As long as sisendelana ama-reels, a text, unjani, in the right, and I'm the right, and then iyaphela into. We don't have to talk. If you don't want to share izinto ezenzeka empilweni yakho, that's okay. As long as ndiyazi uba uright, uyaphila, that's
Okay.
cool. Yeah.
Hayi swaba ntombazana nimvile guys since nanimgqibele ngo-2023 or 2022 njengoba nimbona futhi ngoku yo ndimgubhululile. Anyways guys, my side or my take on this one, I think yeah, a friendship shouldn't be like crowding, like you feel overwhelmed,
Or
you feel
one-sided.
like
Ngohlelo ulandelela.
uhlala ulandela
Yes.
umuntu every time now and then nguwe omcheckayo ukuthi uright akekho right, nguwe mhlambi ozama like ukum-update about your life.
Yeah.
And then there is never an update from yena on her side ukuthi like what is going on in her life. And another thing, I think a conversation, honestly speaking, we can't decide who should initiate it.
Talking about ukuthi, you're always the one who's talking about your life, but the other friend is not talking about their life. So with that one, I see I'm a red flags. I'm telling you about my life and my updates.
You are
but when-
only sucking my information.
Yes,
What
but
about
when I'm not
you,
telling you
girl?
about my problems or my life progress. Guti, this is what is happening. You see, what I've had some similar cases where I'm updating friends. Guti, this is what is happening in my life. And then whenever you will decide to receive the information, and I'm not receiving what is happening into your life. So, that friendship, red flags.
A big red flag, I guess, Sana, because now you must update. It's like now you
Yeah.
are being careful of me.
Yeah, and I'm only taking indaba zakho without me knowing, without you knowing what is happening in my life. Yeah, bo?
Mm.
It's
So
one-sided.
it's one-sided in that way.
It's
ne?
one-sided.
And as I was saying, the part of the conversation that it doesn't matter who initiates the conversation, because one time I'm just scrolling on my phone, I'm seeing your status, then I initiate something, or I'm just seeing something and then it reminds me of you, and then I just call or I just WhatsApp, or umgosi nakwe qhamuka ngoku, then I just send umgosi, just anything that keeps us going, like ukuthi sisesekhona. I think let's move to the second question, ne?
Okay.
Second question is it really important for your friend to update you for every achievement? Is it necessary to know ukuthi umngani wami ke ngoku uthola iposition entsha, umngani wami ke ngoku unendoda entsha, umngani wami akasekho apho wayebambe khona itorho sekebambe kwenye into.
Tender. With me, ne, I don't mind with the updates. If I see your status, you're out with a new person, ending amaziyo from the last person that I saw, I don't mind. I'm gonna like. You buy a car without telling me, and I'm seeing that car in your status, I'm gonna congratulate you. I think in friendships, we are too busy, shame, to be updating each other with every move that we do. So I won't take any offense, Guti, what you're doing, what are you telling me, or what you're telling me. But if I see something on your status because you wanted me to see that achievement, I'm gonna congratulate you, I'm gonna comment on it, but I won't take any offense if you didn't update me before everyone knew about that thing. I won't take any offense.
This one is lying, guys. When once she sees something, I post something she doesn't know of, she will call me immediately. And then she will be like, hi Bontombi. Now so yansola. Why
I'm not the
update?
enemy.
I'm not the enemy. You are confusing the enemy.
Definitely not the enemy.
So she'll be like, explain. Just explain. And then I'll be like, no. And then I start explaining. So, but I think it's very much important, man, as a friend to know, because I think the worst thing that can happen to you is whereby you are talking to someone else and then that person starts maybe telling you about your friend's achievement or your friend's whatever it is
and
the
you
case,
get
and you are
offense
blank. And you
because
are blank, you
you're
don't know
hearing
anything.
it from someone else.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So at least if you have a clue, because now even when a pamkwakhe you look like a clown, because at the same time she or he will pick what you know nothing about lento akuphathela yona. So I don't think it's a good thing, man. Somehow you need to also add something. Oh, okay. Even if you are not adding anything, but at least have knowledge of.
But what happens, let's say,
Zingabi intsha indaba zomngani wakho.
what happens if, you know, Guti, some people don't want to share izinto before they happen. They want to share them once they have happened because, you know, Guti kune evil eye and all of that. And then that thing happens, and then Guti, oh, now everything has been finalized, and then you share it with the world. And you happens to be that world, and you see the status. Will you also take offense, Guti? That person didn't share that achievement.
I would take
now,
an offense and because masithi ngoku ndikubona sowutshata ibonjani andikwazi buyatshata.
What if I saw you? You're an enemy.
Sendithi ndizingenela ku-social media hayibonjani uyatshata okanye ndibangathi hayibona nantsi intombi sana iyatshaluza ngesidanga njani because you need to tell me.
You are furthering your studies.
Hayibonjani. I need to know. Okay, I might not know exactly, like maybe the whole logistics around it. Ukuthi mhlambi i-graduation inini ugqibe nini isikole, but man bene idea yoba uyafunda.
You are furthering your studies.
Yes, man bene idea. Then xa ndibona laa nto ku-social media, then it's gonna be that thing yokuthi oh kanene wayithe uyafunda utsho ukuthi ugqibile ke ngoku, and then it's gonna be easy for me ukuthi ndikufowunele ndithi congratulations. But if ke ngoku khange undixelele nam ndizidlulela nje sana as if I don't see anything, because ndizawuthini mna ke shame I won't even like ndidlula nje ngejubana ndidlula like andikhange ndigqithe kwakuloo ndawo, because what is this, why ndizozifaka endaweni endibonayo uba I'm not needed. I think we should move to the
next question. Next question, please.
Let's try to be as brief as possible. Okay. So, is it easy to forgive your friend? Yes.
Depending on what?
Depending.
Yes. Depending.
Okay. What are the things that you think they are unforgivable from a friend? Let's start unpacking that. Maybe things that you think that are.
Okay. To tsiba ephungela is when my friend crossed the boundaries. Let's say they don't respect me, and I've mentioned I don't like 1, 2, 3 for many times. Don't talk to me like this, and you continue doing that. And let's say you go. I want to use into yenzeka ne. I don't want to use into yenzeka. Let's say we've communicated before. If one day you do this to me, so cut her off, and then 3 years or 2 years down the line you do the same thing, and we've talked about this as friends, and you continued and you did that. That means you didn't listen to me. You didn't hear me.
Like, uthatha indoda mhlawumbi
not indoda, but not respecting my boundaries.
Okanye uvele wathi gqi kwakho engatshongo ubuyeza, like into only worse.
Overstaying your welcome in my house.
Kanjani mhlawumbi okanye aka-contribute nakuloo grosa mhlawumbi uhleli nje.
Yes.
Yes.
And my friend, bear in mind, I don't have kids, and the reason why I don't have kids is because I don't have afford kids. And imagine now again, go so add a long twirl we kid.
Uzoba kid, also your friend.
Also a friend, and then now I have to
You are
feed you.
inconvenienced.
And
in a
I
way.
have to inconvenience a friend. No, no.
Mina, guys, I'm a forgiver. I'm such a
no.
forgiver. Mina, I forgive. Shem, I don't know what is unforgivable. Unfortunately, I forgive. You can do the worst thing
When I
ever.
tell Mother Teresa, you are the mother of the nation. You welcome everyone. Come. Let me take care of you.
Shem.
Let me give you, feed you, nourish you until you become successful. Mina, I don't have that, unfortunately.
You are Shem.
No, Mother Teresa. We must call you Chudisa girl, Mother Teresa Qinga. Your new
Question
name.
number 4. Would you allow your friend to send your boyfriend around? Mhlambi sihleli kanje chomi ne. While we are sitting like this, boyfriend yakho ime pha etafuleni mhlawumbe. Then mina ke ngokuchomi ndithi kuye, "Bengicela usasundiphathele ibhiya apho." Okanye bengicela undiphathele ifayidukwe or something. Njengoba seke mile while he's already there.
No. Number one, that person, you don't know him. You know me. You came to my house because you know me. So you have no right to send that person to get you a beer. You must send me to get you a beer. So you have no right to beer. And 1.2, I don't want you to have any contact with my boyfriend. It's hi, hello, hi, and it ends there. Simple, done. Kind regards, management.
Yo, yeah, broad, okay? Anyway, I also feel like that is so uncalled for. There is no way. Like, it just doesn't sound like nje. When like, it's like when's that? You can't be
I think
sending
you're testing my
someone's-
patience with the corner, but you are seeing my boyfriend. Ukona. So are you telling me which man to invite? I must invite you, or boyfriend wa mine. So that's so what are you trying to do if your boyfriend yami khona? Why are you sending him around? Whereas because you know me, you don't know that person.
Yeah. I also feel the same way. I also feel like personally feel the same way. Ukuthi you can't unless my boyfriend uyabona ukuthi mhlawumbe kanye ziphelile idrink zethu and he
Uzisisela
offers.
thina sithu,
Yes.
not wena, friend. Thina sithu.
Because what if kuphele yami yakho ayiphelanga?
Then that means you're gonna have to wait for me.
Akangeni ndawo.
Akangeni ndawo. Ukwazelaphi?
Ungabhidiswa kwanguye uzibhakekisa kwakhe.
Makayeko ubhidiswa nguwe because ndize nawo wazi mna lo muntu.
Anyway, guys, I don't think we're gonna finish these questions.
Number 3.
Number 5.
Oh.
What are your boundaries in a friendship?
Okay, me now with my friends, I think we have set a boundary. We shouldn't talk to each other. Cause I remember I have this one friend. I used to use this phrase. "Hi man, when a nonsense." I think it didn't sit well with her, and then she highlighted that to me. Choza, don't call me like that, ne? And then from that day, I knew Guti. Akayithandi and I shouldn't use it. Yabo. And now when I'm reflecting now, Guti, hey, umuntu azothi hayi wena nonsense. It doesn't sit well with me. So negativity. There were, as much as I'm too comfortable with you, but kunezinto ekumele ukuthi ndizhold back. I must not, because I'm too comfortable with you, ukuthi hayi man wena whatever, bitch or whatever, yabo. I must try to not to say those things to you, yabo. Yeah, so those are the boundaries which I must be mindful of my words if siyathetha. As much as singabangani and sithethe izinto together, but I must be mindful ukuthi ndithini kuwe, yabo. And if utsho into kum ukuthi friend, I don't appreciate into so, and I must not say it anymore. And if I'm saying it again,
bad. Anyway, guys, I think nami boundaries. Guys, I'm carefree. I don't really have much boundaries, but I think there are certain things that I wouldn't say no, but I wouldn't do. You will see in your action.
Yeah.
For example, maybe, excuse me, ufuna ukungisenda around mhlawumbi yechomi yazi ndibona into nemall lo
But
mall
what if-
ingakuwe
what if
khawuyongijongela
closer
loo
to
nto.
that mall benzosho uba wena what if closer to that mall so uzuyondifunela
Yithi wena xa ndikulo mall ucela ndisuse ndikujongele
So
mandingasuki endlini ndisukele wena
Ufitshane, mos
kodwa ndisuke endlini like
ewe
no angekhe ndiqale phantsi uhambo hayi chomi no tell me ukuthi chomi
mawuyile
xa uya emall
ndingayeli wena
mandingakuyeli chomi
Oh.
okanye ngoku sowuyandifowunela mhlawumbi ndizipholele ndithanda uzirelaxela
Southgate.
uyandifowunela yechomi mani kukho omnye umfana ode kuyi-perfume ndicela uyodibana naye andizukwazi ndiyodibana
Okay.
ntoni zidibanele nabantu
valid
bakho
valid but le i-valid but
Sundithuma.
let's say mna ndihle ndiye eastgate or eastrand mall uzondixelela uba ndi-ode into ethile mokuloo mall ndicetha sundivulele nge-order yam
ndiyakhona
Yes.
I don't mind and more than anything I'll be like ndizokwenzela into yakho ndizayenza kakuhle futhi like ndi-happy ndi-right but sundisusa
ebengu so are you telling me ukuthi you wouldn't help a friend out let's say akumelanga ukuthi kuye kuloo mall but ikufutshane le ndawo kuyo so ngeke uvele uvumbuke endlini uyokwenza loo nto
masithi chomi it depends ukuthi yintoni matter of death and life le
so
uyifuna
ndifuna
masithi
iswimwe yam
ufuna i-ARVs
itsubna itsubna yam efix esemolini esecankolo ndine-vacation
khangela abangani bakho
Chomi, ndine-vacation ezayo that's
Khangela
important
abangani
to
bakho.
me
Khangela
let
abangani
alone
bakho.
i-ARVs the
mna
vacation-
ndingajampa xa usithi chomi nazi ii-reasons zam zojampa ii-ARVs zam andikwazi udefaulta yinto umtsi endingawutsiba ke lowo because I know ukuthi this is important ne
Yes.
number 2 chomi yeyi i-72 hours iyaphela khawuleqise kwezaa pilisi ndingatsiba ke apho because I know ukuthi yeye
Bangahlali
mistake lapho
isisu.
i-permanent chomi khawundincede torho umuntu wam uyahamba namhlanje as we speak mhlawumbi uyaflya or something ndimenzele i-surprise ntontontontoni so bendifuna hambe nento ethilethile ndingatsiba apho because I'm a lover for ama-relationships ndiyawathanda and I would help in that one ndingakunceda uba okay I know umntu wakhe like that
Yeah.
thing ye-surprise nentonto ndiqoma andirhalela imosheke ngomzuzu wokugqibela or ngento encinci ndingakunceda apho chomi hey bendibone i-swimming costume ngaphiphipi ndayithanda chomi cela abangani bakho guys I think we are done with the question we exhausted all the questions now we are having bonus question ne our bonus question is would you borrow your friend money what the hell if she is really stranded uyambona uba asana udonsa ngo-last year nanku ezocela imali hell no imali guys iyaxabanisa it would depend ukuthi ngubani lo chomo wakho nivelaphi nine-history enjani kuloo ndlela benihamba nechomo yakho bingumuntu onjani kwakuloo ndlela benihamba ngumuntu onobutsotsi ngumuntu othanda ulandelelwa ngumuntu oresponsible ngumuntu onediscipline ngumuntu o-understandayo ngumuntu oyazi intlungu yomntu ngumuntu onjani angeke uzonika ifriend oyazi ibine-attitude at the end of the day uzabe undermine kwalaa mali ubumnike yona guys there is nothing worse than helping someone ne with your money your last cent masithi yi-50 rand ndikunika i-50 rand yam wena ngoku uzothi hayi ude nditshutshise kangaka nge-50 rand hayi chomi ndiza kubhatala ibiqale yintoni 50 rand phofu ilife yakho ibistakile ungena-50 rand I hate that like ndiyayizonda loo behavior leyo into yomntu iyahlonitshwa uyamboleka iyadlula ii-friendship ezinintsi guys
Ziphela
ngemali umntu aboleka imali yakho agqiba yi-undermine kodwa bestakile
and kucenga and kuloko kucenga kwakho e-desperate and just to add on that I think family and friends when it comes to imali yokubolekisa mna I don't borrow them and I have like a limit if it's more than 500 I don't go beyond that and if 500 I know even if uthi uyayiboleka I'm willing to lose that if it's beyond 500 then andibolekisi so that I know even if oyibuyisi
andizuhetha
andizuhethekisha. I'm not gonna be hurt.
10 rand mna shame yami
Yes.
ifuna bring
So-
back my money.
Pay me what you want it. Don't act like you forgot. Bitch, better have my money.
It's either you're gonna ask me money, don't tell me ukuthi uyayicela, uyayiboleka, because andifuna ukuthi sixabane mekumele ukuthi uyibuyise. Imali andifuna uyiluza 500 maximum. And yeah,
But again, sometimes ke you can even check ukuthi lo muntu lo ngumuntu onjani, uyathanda uboleka imali okanye akathanda uboleka. Then it's a problem. Like it's something that you can consider, because you know ukuthi lo muntu lo uyaqala noboleka imali
and engomuntu okuhluphayo.
uyayibona mhlawumbe unengxaki nyani.
Yabo.
Than umuntu every time
Nguye.
uhlala
No. Hey, wantoni ebusuku.
Okay, anyway, guys, we are done now with the friendship questions. Now we're gonna go to part 2 of the relationship question. What is your take, ne?
Yes.
On the
relationships.
in relationships, guys, don't mind her. She's already intoxicated.
Relationships. Yeah, I'm confused between friendships, relationships, friendship. As long as there's a sheep. That's why I got confused. As long as there's a sheep.
Anyway, guys, the first question is, do you believe in 50-50?
No.
I don't.
IBhayibheli ithi a man must be a provider and